The climate and health data dashboards provide information on how climate change impacts the health of King County residents. You can find the dashboards at this URL. These icons link to the individual dashboards that each have data on one way climate affects our health. Click on the dashboard you're interested in. On the dashboard page, you'll see a navigation menu at the top. The graphs below show data for a particular topic. Some dashboard pages have multiple graphs, so be sure to scroll all the way down the page. When you hover over part of a graph, more information pops up. Let's go back to the navigation menu. The Demographics tab shows you the data sorted by different categories, such as age, gender, race, and regions. On the Trends tab, you can view this data over time. If you're interested in a certain demographic, you can filter your results in the menu on the right. The Notes and Sources tab has the source of this data as well as some technical information. Questions? Email us at climateandhealth@kingcounty.gov.